Hello and welcome to Hiveways to English. In this episode, we will look at how you can create a simple word order exercise using split words and shape tools. So normally with a word order exercise, you'd have to create a new text field for each word so that they can be moved around independently, not with Hive. To demonstrate, we will start with a few different sentences, just like that. Once we have these made, we will select one and head over to the edit menu and select split words, which will separate out each word independently, allowing us to jumble them up. We'll create some shapes to contain our jumbled sentences, using the infinite clone to copy each shape quickly. Now we will create some boxes for the words to be arranged into as part of the exercise. So we will create one, and using the infinite clone tool, again, we can copy that quickly. We can then select them all, and with the edit menu, select alignment, then align middle. We can then group this together and use the infinite clone tool again. Once all our shapes in place, make sure the order is set to bottom, then lock them into place. Now the words can be dragged around into their correct order. And that's it for this episode, so if you have any problems or questions with using Hive, get in touch. Thanks for watching.